I can't believe they have a statue of you here. That's so nice. It's so... I see the resemblance. It's exactly... It's so lifelike. Look at that. Look at you, even looking in the same direction. Alright, I've already gone on and on about how awesome this place is, but look! Coffee! My own coffee pot. I'm gonna drink it all. Videos are gonna be very energetic today. Holy moly, guys, what a morning. So much packed into it.
I'm devastated.
What day is today?
It's day 43.
Yeah.
I am equally devastated and elated. We had a wonderful stay and a little bit of a inside intel. I'm thinking about starting a podcast about the people we meet on this journey, and we just interviewed a couple this morning, and whew,
Was a good one.
it was so good.
Really good.
I cried 3 times, and then I realized at the end that it had stopped recording halfway through.
We interviewed the Susie of Casa Susie, and
No
for me,
spoilers. You're gonna have to listen.
oh
if you
come
want to
on,
hear about it.
yeah, listen to half the episode. No, it was amazing. Again, I feel like we say this all the time. We travel to meet people and to hear their stories and everything, and these stories were incredible. We were so grateful for them for sharing their story with us and everything. It was what a way to start the day. And then we had a delicious apple pie thing.
We did.
It was great. We're walking 11K today to the town
Las
before the
Herreras.
climb, Las Herreras, and taking it easy, man. It's like 11 o'clock.
I think it's actually 12:30.
Oh shit. Ugh, maybe taking it a little too easy. Hey, what's up? What's going on? What's up, Goose? What's up, Goose? This is a pretty great little system. You put a bag on your door, and then the bread man comes around and gives you bread. It's pretty cool. Hey, look, this pizza came with a pizza cutter.
Lunch is served. I know that we still have a long way to go, but I think the saddest thing about the Camino ending is going back to a world where I can't have pizza and wine for lunch every day. That's going to be sad.
Boom.
Hello! See, you guys say social media is all bad. If it were not for social media, I would not have met these two folks who have been walking the Camino, simply the Bates. I've been following their journey. They're much faster and more athletic than we are. And here we are. We were just sitting in a cafe and they stumbled upon us.
Rock right up. Say hi, guys.
Love it. Hi. Well, so funny story. As she was saying, I stumbled across Sabrina and Reese's YouTube channel, and I said how sweet they are walking the Camino and doing it totally chill, like at least 2 months.
We have that going for
I
us.
love the line that it's the longest pub crawl because it really, I mean, it really is.
Yeah.
So yeah, I figured that we would randomly come across, and we did today. So I'm super excited.
Yeah, finally. Yep. Cheers to that,
Cheers.
guys. Really good meeting you.
Likewise.
Where the heck you been?
Oh my god, guys, alcohol is a hell of a drug. I forgot my visor, and I thought we had gone like 2 blocks, so I just ran back for it, no big deal. It was like a kilometer away. Kilometer just breezed by.
Was it really
But
a kilometer?
Wine taste. It was far. You waited for me. How long did it take me to get back?
Like 2 days.
Long time.
B-roll.
No, nothing.
B-roll. We made it. Las Herreras. That's right, boy. 40 days in and I can speak of the Spanish. Here we are. We did it. Yay! Congratulations! You're the best. Oh, thank you. That's very nice of you to say. You're so supportive.
Get back here.
Yes, chicken wing.
It's almost 4 o'clock,
Ooh, you know what that means.
and between our 2-hour podcast morning and our 3-hour pizza lunch, we did 9K in like 17 hours.
17 hours.
They really exemplified slowness.
Slow strolling, baby.
Nice and cute. Did you see the river?
I sure did.
Verdant.
Them's are some green valleys over there.
Cows
Where?
down.
Moo. Moo.
Well, isn't this a peaceful piece of shit? What are your dreams? That's cool. Pick a good place for it.
Hey, you have to do your cow impression. No, the move over.
Move over.
No, you did it better before.
Oh, isn't this just charming?
Move over.
It's move it along. Move it along. Get up.
Yeah.
We're taking our wine to get cow selfies.
Hi, buddy.
Cow?
Uh-oh. 165K to go. We can do it.